Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to keep your Pinterest account private. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You cannot completely hide your active account on Pinterest, but you can use secret boards to keep all your pins hidden from other people. So in order to do that, tap open your Pinterest application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in your home screen of Pinterest, tap on your profile picture at the bottom of the screen and you'll end up in your profile. Select any board that you want to make secret. Let me select this one right here. Now, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner from this page and tap on Edit Board. Now, under Settings, you'll be able to see Keep this board a secret. Simply enable that button and tap on Done at the upper right. Now, once you make a board secret, only you can view your own secret boards unless you invite another person to your board. That way you can hide all of your boards if you don't want to share it with anyone else. Simply tap on the three dots at the upper right and then tap on Edit Board. Simply turn on the secrecy of your board by tapping on Keep this board secret button and simply enabling it. After you do that, you'll be able to keep your boards private and secure. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.